Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of the SQL interview question, that is how to create a new blank table from existing table. So obviously, whenever you have to create a table from existing table, we have a statement called select into. So using this statement, you will be able to create new table from existing table. But by default, this statement copies the data of table. So we have to avoid that data copy. And then we can say that whatever the table will get created, that we will, meaning we will have the table with no record, or we can say the new blank table. So let's see how we can avoid. Okay. So here I have a table called EMP1. Okay. So I will show you the table. Select star from EMP1 and let me execute this. So this is what my table, and I have to create a copy of this table. So what I can do, I can use the select into statement. So I will say select into, and immediately after into, you have to say new table. I will say EMP demo is my new table name. From whatever the table you have to consider for the copying the data and schema. So this statement will copy, this statement will create new table and copy the data. But my requirement is that I don't want to copy the data. So what you need to do is you need to filter out the data. Okay. And if we put the condition, okay, using where clause. So how it works. So let's understand the where clause. So if you put the condition, when there is a, let's say EMP is equal to EMP ID is equal to, if I say, or if I say, is this greater than 1004? If I put this condition 4 or 5. So what this statement is going to do? So wherever where clause gets the output of this condition as a true, in that case, it will copy the data. Right? Otherwise, it is not going to copy the data. So you have to make sure that if this condition written false, none of the data will get copied. And if I say 1 is equal to 1, this is going to return true. But if I say 1 is equal to 0, so we know this statement always return false. Okay. And this will make sure that data will not get copied into the new table. And if I execute this, okay, incorrect syntax, select into, my bad. So here you need to put the star, what we have to select. So I have executed this statement. So now we have a table. Right. If I say select a star from EMP demo, this is what the new table I have created. If I run this, you can see that nothing is get copied as a data from EMP1 to EMP demo. So this is how we can create new blank table in SQL from existing table. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.